Good morning, everyone. This is just a quick and down and dirty explanation of a pair of New York Central E7s that a customer sent me to modify. So these were modified exactly like all the Kato Kobo ones, for anybody who's familiar with these guys. Basically, the first thing we do, this is the mechanism without the shell on, where it's already been converted to sound from the stock unit. Start off by dismantling these. This is your stock frame, and we cut and we machine that off so you can fit a sugar cube speaker in there. And then with everything put back on there, the original light board is modified on here, and then a ESU V5 is fitted in here with the sugar cube speaker and tapped into that light board in the motor. Now what I'm going to do is just put this shell back on. I'm going to pause this video, and I am going to set this up to do a quick test run. Now in this case, they're both on the track. The customer request was they wanted them both programmed to the same road number, and then so they could run back to back with no problems. You just change CV29 to 39. Basically, if you want to reverse operation of a locomotive, you just take whatever's in CV29 and you add 1 to it for a back-to-back combo. But so this guy's on. I'm going to hit sound, and we're going to do a lap or two with it. And as you can hear, it's nice and loud. Anywho, that's all I've really got. We'll let this come around. And that's all I really got. Hope you all have a wonderful day.